Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am discussing IIT GATE previous year's questions. I am giving some important methods and tricks to solve the problems very easily. Okay, this is the question asked in 2017 IIT Kanpur. Which of the following function is strictly bounded? Okay, they are given four options. Option A is 1 by x square, and option B is e power of x, and option C is x square, and option D is e power of minus x square. Okay, to solving this problem you have to remember this note. A function is said to be strictly bounded if the function satisfies these two conditions: 0 less than or equal to mod of limit extends to 0 f of x is less than infinity, and this is 0 less than or equal to mod of limit extends to plus or minus infinity f of x is less than infinity. If the any function satisfies these two conditions, then that function is said to be strictly bounded function. Okay, now we have to verify the each option. Okay, first we have to take the limit extends to 0 to this function. What we get? 1 by x square, that is 1 by 0, that is infinity we get. Okay, but according to our condition, that is less than infinity, the what are the limit we get? That is less than infinity we get, but we get here equal to infinity. This is wrong option, and here also we apply the limit extends to 0 e power of x, that is equal to e power of 0, that is equal to 1. Okay, one condition is satisfied, then we apply limit extends to infinity e power of x is equal to e power of infinity, that is infinity we get. This is also wrong, and we have to apply the limit extends to 0 x square is equal to 0. We get the one condition satisfies, and another condition limit extends to infinity x square, that is we get infinity. This is also wrong option. Then we have to apply these two conditions to this function. Limit extends to 0 e power of minus x square, that is equal to e power of 0, that is equal to 1 we get, and we apply the limit extends to infinity e power of minus infinity, that is equal to 1 by e power of minus x, that is we get e power of minus infinity we get, that is 1 by e power of infinity, that is 1 by infinity, that is 0. 1 by infinity value is 0 we get, and we also apply limit extends to minus infinity e power of minus x square, that is equal to e power of minus into minus infinity whole square, that is equal to e power of minus infinity we get, that is 1 by e power of infinity, that is we get 0. Okay, this fourth option is the correct option because this function satisfies these two conditions. Then this function is a strictly bounded function. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Okay, next we will go to another problem. This is the problem asked in 2006 IIT Kharagpur. As x increased from minus infinity to infinity, the function f of x equal to e power of x by 1 plus e power of x. They given four options. Option A is monotonically increasing, and option B is monotonically decreasing, and option C is increases to maximum value and then decreases, and option D is decreases to minimum value and then increases. Okay, this is the very simple problem. There are two methods to solve this problem. One is normal method, one is a graphical method. Okay, I will tell both the methods. Okay, first I will tell normal method. The method to solve the first method is first any function is given. First we have to find the derivative of this function. Any function is given, first we have to find the derivative of that function, and if that derivative is positive, that is greater than 0, then that is the given function is monotonically increasing. Okay, if the derivative is negative, that is less than 0, that function is monotonically decreasing. Okay, this is the important concept we have to remember. Okay, first of all we have to find the derivative of this function. Here we have to apply the quotient rule. What we get? F dash of x is equal to 1 plus e power of x. Differentiation of e power of x is e power of x minus e power of x, as it is a differentiation of this is e power of x all divided by 1 plus e power of x whole square we get. We have to multiply inside e power of x plus e power of x whole square minus e power of x whole square by 1 plus e power of x whole square. We get this get cancelled. We finally get e power of x by 1 plus e power of x whole square. Okay, this is we get we know that e power of x graph is like this. E power of x is always positive. Okay, if e power of x is always positive, e power of x is always positive, we have to add 1 on both sides. What we get, 1 plus e power of x greater than 1. Okay, this is positive, this is also positive. 1 plus e power of x also positive, greater than 1 means what, this is also positive. And we take squaring on both sides. What we get, 1 plus e power of x whole square is greater than 1 square, that is 1 only. A 1 plus e power of x whole square also positive only. Okay, if this is positive, this is positive, then total this is positive. If the given the derivative of the function is positive, then the function is f of x is what, f of x is what, monotonically increasing. Then option E is the correct option. This is the normal method. I will tell how to solve the graphical method also. Any function is given, that time how to draw the graph. Okay, this is the very big confusion in students. Okay, I am giving simple trick to how to draw the graph. First we have to check the points. First we have to put the points at x equal to 0 and at x equal to infinity and at x equal to minus infinity. We have to put these values into any given function, not only this function. Any given function is given, we have to put the values in the given function. What we get, f of 0, we get what we get is e power of 0 by 1 plus e power of 0, that is 1 by 1 plus this is 1, this is 2, that is 0.5. and f of infinity, what is f of infinity, we take here e power of x is common. What we get, e power of x, 1 by e power of x plus 1 we get. E power of x get cancelled. Here we have to apply the 1 by e power of infinity plus 1. 1 by e power of infinity value is what, infinity, e power of infinity value is 0. 1 by infinity is 0, we get value is 1. Okay, and what is e power of f of minus infinity, f of minus infinity, what we get, e power of minus infinity by 1 plus e power of minus infinity. Okay, 1 by e power of infinity by 1 plus 1 by e power of infinity. This value is 0 and this value is 0. 0 by 1 is 0 by 1 is what, 0 only we get. Now what is the values we get here at x equal to 0, what be the value we get, 0.5. and at x equal to infinity, what we get, 1. at x equal to minus infinity, what we get, 0. Okay, these are the points we get. Now we have to draw the graph by using these points. Okay, this is infinity, this is infinity, this is minus infinity, and this is minus infinity, this is 0. Okay, this is the graph. Then we have to put the values. X equal to 0, what we get, 0.5 we get here. Suppose we get point here 0.5. and at x equal to infinity, at x equal to infinity, suppose I am taking 1 year. Okay, 1 year. At x equal to infinity, 1 we get here. Okay, 1 we get here. And x equal to minus infinity, at x equal to minus infinity we get 0. Okay, that means the graph is goes, sorry, like this we draw rough graph. Okay, we get a graph like this. Okay, we get a graph like this. Okay, this is the graph. Observe that this is the graph we get. This is the increasing graph. Yes or no? This is the increasing graph. That means what, option A is the correct option. Okay, this is the increasing graph. By graphical also we show that this is the increasing, and in our by the normal method also we solved by using normal method also we solved this problem. Okay, I hope you get these two questions. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In next video I will solve another few questions. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.